Hi Yummies! Rica Perelejo Bonifacio here and back in the Yummy kitchen. Today we are going to be making Tuna Mayo Onigiri or rice balls.
Wash the Japanese rice until water runs clear. Add salt, fish sauce, and water to the rice. And transfer to the rice cooker pot and cook. Mix together drained tuna chunks, Japanese mayonnaise, rice wine vinegar, sesame oil, and sriracha in a bowl until well combined. To assemble, wet your hands and place a portion of the rice onto your hand. Spread it flat. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of the tuna mixture in the center, then cover it with the surrounding rice. Add more rice if you need to. Squeeze the rice ball firmly to seal in the filling, then carefully shape it into a triangle. Stick the nori sheet at the bottom, then roll it in sesame seeds or furikake. These tuna mayo onigiri or rice balls are so fun to make with kids, and they're great as baon for beach trips, picnics, or even as a quick meal at work or in school. For more easy recipes, like this video and subscribe to Yummy.ph.